Guys, we're doing our first unboxing video, but like it left off
mid-video.
Yeah, in the middle. So what you didn't see was we got this entire evolution set right here. And we also got the evolved the second form of one of the starters from the new series.
I'm opening the next pack.
He's opening
an Alola Diglett.
Ooh, a Diglett? Let me see it. Here,
Alola.
I'll put it in there.
Skarmory. Ooh, a Cosmo.
Bunch of crap Pokemon.
Molten. A Cosmo.
Wait a minute, that might be the an evolution of one I got.
I see, man. All right, we've got a lot here.
Wait a minute, one sec. I gotta find this. I still got one. Okay, so I think I just found the last form of this guy right here.
You mean the next form?
No, the final form.
I don't think so. I don't know.
So I'm gonna open my next pack now.
Okay, do you want which one?
You hold it.
What makes you feel lucky?
Over. I still gotta open this. Is it recording?
I'm getting it. Okay. Which one of these next?
I'm opening mine first.
Okay. Let's see. What have we got?
Okay. So I've got a Furo.
Okay, not bad.
Snubble.
Ugh, he just knocked down some cards. All right.
A Sandile.
I didn't see them too well. I think they get it. So no, Sandile.
A Pikapek.
That's not
A
too bad.
Carvanha. Ooh, duplicate.
Yeah.
Duplicate evolution of the second form of one of the starters.
All right.
Tukakanon.
Tucana.
Another metal energy.
All right.
Pelipper. A trainer card Repel. And a Corsola.
All right. Let me open that. Let me open one.
Okay, you open the more moon thing.
Come on, be the moon. Let the moon
I
shine.
got the thing on its side.
Let there be moonlight. Okay, you watch for me. Rock and roll. New looking rock and roll.
I'm zoomed. Just hold it up. Hold it forward.
Forward more. You got a Growlithe and a rock and roll there, but look, and a Lola Meow.
Let me see. Oh, nice.
Spider. Diglett.
And a little Diglett.
Ultra Ball. Stoutland. Energy. Poison Barb. Dragonair.
Ooh, Dragonair. Let me get it.
Charger.
Naya.
And a Charger bug.
Yeah, nothing too good out of that. Okay, it's time for me to check my attack.